Yeah.
Ready?
Set.
Quiet.
Ready? It's the big number 11 birthday for Ryan.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ryan. Happy birthday to you. Yay, Ryan.
Okay.
Gonna be 11.
It's going to be 11 on
Grandma.
Wednesday.
Watch out. You might have
Might explode or something. I don't know.
That's right.
That's from Grandma.
Certified mail.
Yeah. With a bunch of cash.
Who told you how to open an envelope, son?
Probably got a bunch of cash in there.
I see a bunch of time out.
What'd you say?
This is it.
Read it.
Hope your birthday is a burrito. Oh, there's your shoes.
Read the card
Read the card.
What's it say on that?
out loud.
We hope you enjoy your birthday.
I can't hear you.
Is that an M?
Miss.
We miss you very much. Hope to see you.
Can't hear you.
Can't hear you, Ryan.
Come on.
We hope you enjoy your birthday. We miss you very much. Hope to see you soon.
Read that
Read
side.
that side.
Happy birthday. We love you.
Read the white words.
Full of all kinds of good stuff and some smooth, small bread and also sauce.
Awesome.
Get the card.
You got a card.
Dick's Sporting Goods.
Dick's Sporting Good
Now you can
card.
pick your shoes.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Say thanks, Grandma. Grandpa.
Say thank
Camera.
you.
Say thanks, Grandma.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Too hard to smile.
What are you doing?
Okay. That's for
Read the
Grandma.
card in there.
What's it?
Okay.
You pick. I don't know.
Yeah.
Which one is
Oh,
yours?
you got an ink pen?
Oh, I guess a pencil in the back.
You don't want to say how much
You don't need
you got a
one.
collar.
Just chicken. How we doing? Hope you had a great day.
Clucking day.
What?
You got a what? Read out
I
what is it?
don't know, the boy just don't know how to talk.
Yeah, he does.
Hope you have a what is that?
Plucking.
Pluckings.
Great.
Fucking great day.
Yeah, that is an appropriate card.
Huh?
Lewis Clan.
The Lewis
Lewis
Clan.
Claw.
Lewis Claw. Just checking in.
Uh-oh.
Will pick my nose and scratch my hand.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Cash.
Haha, happy birthday, Ryan. Can't believe you are already friends. I'm so proud of you. I
I
love
can't hear you.
Speak loud, baby.
you. Ha ha. Happy birthday, Ryan.
Ha ha.
Ha.
He said,
What is it? Does it matter?
Hey, hey.
Show me the front of the card.
Happy birthday, Ryan. I can't believe you are already 11. I'm so proud of you. I love you. Come on. That's nothing to do about you.
You got to speak up, honey. It's
Mine.
louder
Turn the
in here.
volume up.
11, no way. That is crazy.
Listen to this.
That is 1,015 days old. That is 96,360 hours. That is
5,781,600 minutes are being awesome.
Hey, Chris.
Show the card.
Show me the card. Let me see. Let me
And
see.
where did you get in the car?
Pick my nose and scratch my hiney.
Oh, good. I can see it.
Fitty boy. Got some
Thank
fitty.
you.
It's cute.
Pick my nose and scratch my hand. Like that.
His nephew can go inside your mining.
Read it. Read the card.
Oh, there it is.
It's like you're
Loud now.
not just 11, it's like you're number one choice.
Now, read it loud.
Read it loud.
What is 3 tens, 2 fives, 7 ones, 9 25s, 5 10
9 25s.
9 25
9
quarters.
quarters.
Thank you.
5 10
Nines. 25
25 pennies.
That
That is then 100 units. Show me you can multiply add.
Get the answer right and hold out your hand.
get the answer
So,
correct.
you gotta get it
you
right.
Hold your hand out.
We'll put something
You'll
in
need
it.
a pencil.
30.
Here, write it down as you go.
Neatly, neatly.
All you gotta do is
3 10, 2 5,
it just goes out to
1.
It's 9 quarters.
But it's 9 quarters. How many quarters in a dollar?
$1.75.
Nope. Nope.
How many quarters in a dollar?
200. What'd you say?
220.
No, that's not what
How many quarters make a dollar? Okay, you have 9. How many dollars do you have?
Division.
$2.25.
There you go. Yeah, yes.
So how much you got
Just
now?
2.25. 5 dimes is what? .50. 25 pennies.
Now how much money you got?
Now
Add
add all that
it
together. 30, 10.
up. No, let him do it.
30 plus 10.
He's already down to 47. He got these 3. Now add these.
29. 29 and a half. 49.
Oh, Jesus. 225
So that's 49 and 25.
plus another 50 cents.
For 49,
Two what?
75,
275 plus another quarter is what?
50.
$3.
I can't escape.
Look, 3 plus 7 is
Oh
what?
my god. I don't know.
Okay.
All right, go on.
10 plus 10 is what?
How much is it? How much is it,
I
Ryan?
don't know. $49. 50.
$50.
Now, oh, you got it right.
Hand out.
Hold your hand out,
Hold your hand
right?
out.
This is for your tooth.
For your tooth.
Tooth fairy.
And here's 50 for answering the math problem.
And you will do it again. You will do it again.
Jeez.
All right, read.
Uh-oh.
Out loud.
Hey, you're getting older. Do you ever notice that your head is growing bigger?
We can't hear, honey.
Doing?
Stop.
Hey, you're getting older.
Louder.
Come on,
No.
honey. Yes,
Hey,
honey.
you're getting older. Did you ever notice that your head is growing bigger underneath your party hat? Your feet are growing longer. In your shoes, right as we speak. You're older at this minute than you were this time last week. I watch you every day, grow bigger, stronger, less smart. It is a joy to be a part of it. I'll be 11 today. Happy double 11.
Double.
Double?
You're
Double
22.
one.
He wrote double 11.
Whatever.
Whatever.
So proud of the little moments you have become. I love you with all my heart. I wish you the best in your life. You're amazing. Why?
Stop, honey. We're trying to video it.
You're astounding. You grow up in good. I've had many birthdays and growing up I can. Happy birthday,
All right.
Dude, every time I put him on video, he goes,
No, it's just embarrassing. You know, the whole video of him
Put them back in the bag.
getting the math problem wrong.
Reading it out loud. Read it out loud.
Supposed to be
Read the card.
From the
Read it.
From the dog, let's go out. Let's go out for your birthday.
That.
Read that.
Then come back in and go out and come back.
You go out, yeah. Yeah.
it's true.
Strike, star, ball,
You're what make our tails wag.
Ginger coat sauce. Happy Halloween.
One's underlined, but from heaven.
Yeah, they're Santa Claus in heaven.
Party. Chili. Peanut butter. Marlow. Raspberry.
All of them.
Oh my
Yeah,
lord.
those are fresh.
You remember all of them? Wait, one more. Oh, that's a very special card. A lot of thought went into this.
A lot of thought.
Funny looking great.
A lot of time. A lot of
Just
time.
when you thought life couldn't get any better.
Dylan. Hey.
What does it say?
You get a card from me.
Let me see this special. We're gonna frame this one.
Special.
Happy birthday, Dylan. With a crayon. Love it. We'll keep this one.
Hey, that's pretty good.
All right, hold on.
That's pretty good.
Keep those together.
That's pretty good.
All right.
Miss President.
All right. Ooh, this one's special.
Looks like a roll of tape.
Nothing I would ever buy you. You know that. But I just happened
Tennis
to...
balls.
Yeah, I get
Right,
tennis.
Pringles.
I just happened to see them all. And no, they weren't green onion. I caught that.
I don't like green onions.
What? No.
What?
Yes,
it-
Mom bought these.
Let me see this gift. Let me see. Lay's stacks. Awesome.
What's it called?
Yeah.
Come on, your food's gonna be coming. Come on.
Maybe.
Easy. Push it over.
This is a very special card. Dylan.
You thought your day was the best. Then you got my card, Dylan.
Hilarious. Best brother there is.
Give me the paper.
You're gonna get hit with food.
What do you get? Get a suit.
What? You want me to take it out right now?
No, you don't have to take it.
It's a Nike. A Nike suit.
Good on a cold day.
Yeah, on a cold day. You'll be using that soon. Yeah.
One more.
I don't know what the hell it is.
Put them back in the bag.
No.
Right there? Yeah. No, it's, but that booth right there is. Okay.
Yeah. Support them.
You don't think.
Yeah, you do. Take them anywhere.
Oh, what's that?
What's this? More clothes? What is it? Oh, Puma.
Hey. That's when it's cold.
It's when it's cold, Ryan.
Say thank you.
I know, but I mean, it's hard to deal with, ain't it?
What?
How much is your card? How much is your card? 100?
I don't think it says.
Probably 150. Maybe 50 or 100.
That's a pair of shoes.
A pair of shoes, Ryan. Happy birthday, buddy.
Let's see. How do you call it?
Happy birthday. We love you. Ryan, happy birthday.
So how much money you got
Ryan.
now?
Happy birthday.
What's he supposed to say back? Okay. Okay.